Well, the woman may live. I don't know. Hasn't been started since August of 2011. And it is now March 2012, so we'll see how it works out. It needs a new spark plug. I got that recovered, or covered, however you say it. It probably needs clean oil in it. The oil hasn't been put in it in about 3 months. So I figured, hey, what the heck. It's a nice Sunday afternoon, hot, and I'll put one in. Say hi to the camera. Well, basically to start, all I'm really going to do is take the spark plug out. Oh, come on now. Excuse me for a minute. Well, that one's pretty burnt up. Matter of fact, it's not too bad. Well, it actually isn't bad at all. Well, I'm still going to put the new one in. These ones look about the same. They're actually all, I have 6 more of these. These came out of the Ford truck. You can see the Ford truck's here. But, still going to put her in. Used a wire brush, brushed off the tip. So I figured I'm going to put it in. Put that in there. Tighten it. Excuse me again. Give it a nice one tight. Connor, you come here real quick. Yeah, would you like to hold that?
That's you. It's a nice dirt bike.
I'm just going to put some 15W40 in it. You know, all in all, oil's the same thing to me, except for diesel oil. So I figured I'll put some in. Just hold that right there. Huh? This is oil. Put some clean oil in it. Everything's better with some clean oil. You know what I'm talking about. Flood that. This is my oil. I found it when I moved here. I got some free redneck oil. I like redneck oil. I like single cylinders. They're easy to tune up, unlike V8s. My God, you should have seen the tune up on my dad's truck. Was that fun? Well, let's see if she fires. Cameraman, would you like to hold that? It's been a while.
Yep.
I don't know, I still gotta fix the chain. Yeah, I forgot to mention, the chain. I gotta fix up the chain adjuster. Throw some JD weld on there, we should be good. Yeah, spit all that old stuff out. This is actually Connor's bike. I'm just the mechanic on it. Well guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time when I'm doing the chain adjuster. Don't worry, that ain't no oil leak, it's just little drips of spilt. Thanks for watching, guys.